divide 592 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 means 5. On subtracting we get J. So now we put down this 9 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down these 2 and it is 42. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put J. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 592 divided by 5 is 118 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.